In our last video, I cleaned these boots with saddle soap, and now it's time to replenish all of the oils and waxes that were stripped away during cleaning. It's also important to condition leather shoes every year or two, depending on how often you wear them. This helps them look better and last longer. I've used two techniques over the years, and I'll go over both along with some reasons on why you might want to choose one over the other. Both techniques are two-step processes. First is Otter Wax Leather Salve, followed by Otter Wax Leather Oil, and second is Fiebing's Neatsfoot Oil, followed by 4-Way Care. Each of these pairs consist of an oil and a less viscous conditioner. And a few quick disclaimers before we get started. These products are for real leather only, and you should always test on a small area first if you're really worried about how the leather might react to them, and don't use these on suede. Otter Wax recommends starting with the leather salve, then finishing with the oil, and that order has always seemed backwards to me at first, but I've tried it a few times now and it's worked really well, so I trust them. The salve will soften a bit with some heat, so I use my hands to generate a little bit of friction and then massage it into the leather. If you don't want to get your hands dirty, a clean, lint-free cloth works just as well. While I work my way around the boot, let me talk about leather darkening. Every conditioner will darken leather slightly, especially lighter colors and vegetable tan leathers. My boots are both, so I'm expecting them to get darker, and I'm fine with that. Of the products I'm using today, Fiebing's 4-Way Care darkens the leather the least, so more on that in a bit. I let the leather salve dry for about 20 minutes, then buff the leather to work in the waxes. You can use a horsehair brush, a flannel cloth, or some cotton canvas. It's best to wait 24 hours before applying a light coat of leather oil to finish these off. That oil adds a little bit of sheen to the leather and is the perfect finishing touch. And it smells really nice too. For this pair of Doc Martens, I chose Fiebing's Neatsfoot Oil and Fiebing's 4-Way Care, because these boots are 30 years old and very dry. Neatsfoot Oil penetrates deeply into the fibers, evens out the color, and helps hide scuffs. So the darkening actually works to my advantage here. I wiped away the excess oil because I used a bit too much in some spots, and then let them dry overnight. I finished with 4-Way Care to add sheen and protection. I applied it with an applicator sponge, which I have because I do a lot of leather work, but a clean cloth works too. After a few minutes, I buffed the leather to a nice polished look and relaced the boots. As I mentioned, 4-Way Care doesn't really change the color, so if you want a one-step process that won't darken the leather as much, this is a great option. It's really impressive how much of a difference cleaning and conditioning can make, whether it's shoes, boots, or any leather item. If you want to see how I deep clean these boots to prep them for conditioning, check out that video linked up here. And if you want to see me restore a leather jacket with similar products, I'll leave those videos linked in the description as well. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments if you need help choosing the right products for your boots. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.